Hello, in front of me I've got POCO C50. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter passwords and security, and go to screen lock. Firstly, let's disable the screen lock. And as you can see, we've got three types of passwords: pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. And let's start with password. Now enter at least 4 characters. Now we can use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN. That has to contain between 4 and 16 digits. Let's use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's select pattern. That has to be connected with at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics, and first let's select fingerprint. Now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, we can add face data, and simply we have to scan our face in this area. And now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.